Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the tie-dye Jordan 1s. But before we do that, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23, as well as the Soul Luxury. That is my brand. I sell sneakers and streetwear, as well as some merch. So definitely go check it out. Again, that's the Soul Luxury on Instagram. But with that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. Starting off with the box, red Nike Jordan 1 box. Pretty simple. You guys see the black logos on the top, all four sides. Retail price is $170. But I know you guys are here for the shoes, so let's get into it. Bam. The women's Air Jordan 1 in the tie-dye colorway. So this was a women's exclusive Jordan 1 release. I think it went up to a men's 10.5 or a men's 11. I'm not too sure. I know a lot of females hate Jordan 1 releases just because if it is a men's exclusive, they don't even have women's sizes. And even when it's a women's exclusive, all the resellers jump in and take all the sizes. So in the end, the females always get screwed over, which kind of sucks. The resellers are out here making money while the females who actually want the shoe aren't even able to wear them. But you know, that's just the game, that's what it is. But yeah, this is a fire colorway. I think they did it very nicely. Now the tie-dye material is a lot better than I thought it was going to be. All the pairs pretty much have a different style as far as the tie-dye, so that is always cool. So pretty much if you get a pair and someone else gets a pair, you guys aren't gonna have the exact same design. Yeah, taking a closer look at this Jordan 1, the material, like I said, is very nice. You do have white underlays, a black swoosh, black up in the toe section. You guys can see that leather. Pretty decent material. Black leather up in the heel section. Like I mentioned, the tie-dye material on the overlays. Tongue is black. You have a white tag up the top with a black Nike Air logo. Black satin type material for the lining. Black insole with a white Nike Air logo. So the shoe did come with black laces, but I think would look really good with some white laces. Or if you could find some like tie-dye type colored laces, I think that would look fire on this colorway. The midsole is white, black outsole. So not a whole lot to say as far as this colorway goes. I know there's a lot of reviews out there, but I did want to give my take on resale. So again, these shoes retailed at $170. This shoe is currently going for $250 to $350 depending on the size. Your higher sizes are going to get the highest resale because they cater to the men who want this colorway. So if you did get this shoe and you're looking to sell, I'd say hold on to it for a bit because I do see this shoe going up to that $350 to $450 price range. And if you didn't get this shoe on release day and you're willing to take that risk, I'd say buy this shoe now, hold on to it for a while, and you should be able to make 50 to 150 bucks in the future. That's up to you though. If you're willing to take that risk, that's what the game's all about. The people who don't take risks are the people who won't reap the benefits. So if you're willing to take that risk, this is a good shoe to cop now, hold on to for a bit, and sell in the future. Yeah, those are my resale predictions. Let me know what you guys think of the shoe. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23, as well as the Soul Luxury. Go check it out, cop some dope merch. But with that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out. So yeah, pretty. Oh man. Alright, I see how it's gonna be. Let's go.
No matter where I move to, I deal with all the same things. My homies so hard-headed, some of them like the gang bang, but that's just how it is. We all gotta maintain. See the dead are in jail, and that's the goddamn shame.